socks on, please, because I want to put some nice.
Shut up.
It's not going to be.
Shut up.
I'm going to put my nice. Lucy. We're here. Oh, I've skipped out like the whole journey. My vlogs have been very short recently. Sorry. What's done is done. It's pretty. Yeah. Hey. Everyone's like staring at me. I don't care. It's called public vlogging. Public. Oh, look at the puppy. Oh. Lucy being herself. Lucy, my turn. We're Bridlington now. We're right near the sea, which is nice. And yeah, there's not really much to say about it. You can't really see, can you? I know that the camera lens is on you. I want to.
Get ready to scream.
You'll scream out.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not. If I scream, it's going to be with like excitement. Heads will be like. It's very fast.
Catch you at the end.
We're going back to the car. We brought sweets. She ate her whole chocolate fish on the way here. I didn't eat the tail, and now I feel She didn't eat the tail, and now she feels like she's going to be sick. I'm gonna end my vlog here. So bye. See you tomorrow.